Hey! Okay, hello everybody. We all know that I have not been treating my hair right recently, okay? I don't think that I've ever really treated my hair right, but especially the last few weeks have been brutal on my hair. So today I thought, why not, instead of ruining my hair, I'm actually gonna try to take care of my hair. I'm actually gonna try to do something nice for her because she really needs it. It's so good. So a lot of you have been telling me that I need to do a protein treatment in my hair. And the protein treatment that I found is made out of food. It's made out of things that you can find in your fridge. And yeah, I could have also bought like an actual hair protein treatment, like something that's actually meant to go in your hair. But where's the fun in that, you know? I just want to put eggs in my hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. Let's go. So the hair treatment that I found on the internet, the DIY protein mask, is made out of eggs, mayonnaise, 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 It's made out of eggs, mayonnaise, and olive oil. Damn. Crazy. Yeah, what are actually the benefits of those ingredients? Boy, I don't know, but I'm gonna read the website and it's gonna explain it to me. So, listen up, kiddos. Mayonnaise contains many of the properties found in store-bought hair masks. It contains oils that deeply moisturize hair, making it ideal for dry or chemically processed hair. Shit, that's my hair. It also coats hair much like silicone to add shine and protect it from heat styling. Isn't everybody trying to like not use silicone on their hair? Okay. The protein content replenishes weak strands to prevent breakage and encourages new growth from the roots. Ooh, mayonnaise is the shit, bruv. What is the benefit of eggies? Eggs are rich in protein and help to strengthen and thicken hair. Unlike chemical thickeners, eggs keep the hair's natural oils intact, so they are easy to comb through, resulting in less breakage. We love to see it. They are effective on hair that is thinning or damaged from heat styling and coloring. Eggs work well with mayonnaise as they seal the cuticle to lock in moisture and make the results long-lasting. Also, full transparency. I'm reading this from a website that is called leaf.tv, and I ain't never heard of that website before. So I honestly do not know if this is actually factual or if they're just talking out of their asses. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna pretend like they're right, okay? So let's get my ingredients and make a disgusting hair mask. Exciting. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god, baby. Oh my god, I just kicked him. He walked straight in front of my feet. Oh my god, Pablo Ja. Why you do that? Oh my god. Poor baby. Okay, let's go. So the recipe calls for 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, mayo, 2 eggies, and then 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This mayo is vegan though, so I don't know if that's gonna be a problem, because honestly I don't know what part of like the ingredients of the mayo is good for your hair. I feel like the only thing that's not in here is probably egg. And I'm gonna add egg anyways, so should be fine, right? Okay, so this is what my hair looks like before. The ends definitely need some TLC. So yeah, let's just mix my smoothie up. Oh, let me also just change my shirt because I do not want this to get gross. Oh, have you ever been mellow? Have you ever been... Oh my god. It's all like sticking to the fucking thing. Oh, I love mayo so much. Nom 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 nom. Look who came out of nowhere. I swear to god, this cat, he's the cutest boy on the planet, but he fucking eats everything. He always tries to steal my food. Look at him. Look at him, just like eyeing the fucking mayo. We're gonna need 2 eggs. Let's see if I can crack it with one hand. Yo. This is so liquid though, oh my god. How the fuck is this gonna stay in my hair? Like, this is so liquid, it's literally just like, it just looks like water. Oh my god, it's gonna get everywhere. Okay, and then for the finishing touch, some olive oil. Okay, I guess it's time to put it in my hair now. This is so liquid. Maybe I can just like dip it in there. Let me see. Boink. Oh, even though it's like very liquid, I do feel like my hair really soaks it up. So it's not like leaking everywhere, which is nice. We love to see that. Also, yeah, I obviously know it's probably better to just get a haircut instead of like putting food in my hair. But I'm just doing it for the plot, okay? This is how we do it. Boom, 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 boom. Almost done, girlies. Okay, so my hair is covered. Very nice. I emptied out the entire bottle, by the way. So if you have longer hair than me, you should probably use more. So what I'm now gonna do is I have to wrap it in plastic wrap. And I gotta let it sit for like an hour. And then I can rinse it out. And I have to like shampoo and condition it like normal. But the one thing that you have to like keep in mind when washing it out is I swear this is like the funniest thing ever to me. You shouldn't use hot water, because apparently if you use hot water to rinse it out, you'll poach the egg in your hair. So you just have like bits of like poached eggs stuck in your hair. I don't know why that's so funny to me. So yeah, I'm gonna rinse it out with lukewarm water and try not to poach the eggs. But yeah, let me just wrap it in some plastic wrap first. Beautiful! I feel so sticky. I feel so gross. Oh, I don't feel beautiful at all. Anyways, I'm gonna be an egg sandwich for like an hour and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Bye! This is how I still have that song stuck in my head. Isn't that crazy? Hey everybody! It has been a couple of hours since I rinsed the mayo out of my hair. The mayo and eggs. Fun fact, remember when I told you guys that you shouldn't like shower too hot because it's gonna like poach the egg? I deadass stepped into a boiling hot shower because I forgot. But yeah, luckily the egg didn't get poached. So yeah, I washed it out of my hair using shampoo. It made my hair feel so incredibly dry. Like it felt so ropey and gross. Like it did not feel good at all. But then I put a conditioner in and everything felt great again. And yeah, this is the result. I honestly swear to God feel like this did help. Like my hair feels a lot better. Like yeah, it still looks kind of frizzy, I know, but my hair is just frizzy. Like it has always been frizzy, so no amount of mayo is gonna fix my frizzy hair. But it feels way nicer. It literally feels way nicer. The ends, they feel like, I mean they're still dead. They're still very dead, but they feel way softer and less crunchy, and they look better. And my hair is kind of like shiny. It is actually crazy. Like it literally feels so much better. I cannot believe that I tried something and it turned out to be a success. Crazy! This method, it works. My hair feels so much better. It feels so much better. So yeah, if any of you are as stupid as I am and decided to like bleach your hair like 5 times, then just put some mayo in your hair and you'll be fine. Also unrelated, but should I get bangs again? I feel so weird without bangs because I had them for like years. And I feel like my forehead is so big. Even though I don't think I have a big forehead, but it just feels very big because normally it's like covered. I don't know. Maybe I'll be giving myself some bangs in the next video. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.